Here we can see BioGRID, Biological Journal Repository for Interaction Database. It is a public open access biomedical database that archives and distributes the comprehensive set of protein, genetic and chemical interaction as well as the post-translation modification that is curated from major model organism and human. You can search and explore the dataset directly in the BioGRID website. So here we can see the physical binding and functional genetic relation map for literature for protein and genetic interaction, chemical associated drug target and small molecule interaction, post translation modification, annotation modification site like phosphorylation and ubiquitination, then BioGRID ORCS, a dedicated open repository tracking the genome-wide CRISPR screen, then network visualization built-in interactive tool to graph the molecular pathway and connection. So today we are going to see first the Arabidopsis Thaliana and gene, and let's see. So first we have to type the protein or gene name or chemical binding, or for example if we are taking for an Arabidopsis Thaliana, so we have to type for that particular gene name and then submit it, and after submitting we get, for example, LE is for DWF5. So DWF5 7 sterol delta 7 reductase 7 red, all are these terms, that is 7 dihydroxy cholesterol reductase. So here we can see TAIR, Entrez Gene reference sequence, and UniProt KB. So it will import to this particular website. If we click on all of one of these, then we can see the experimental evidence code, data set and note. Here on clicking on evidence, we get all this result. Here the bait hint and experimental evidence code is given. So if we click on the PIP 1A, Arabidopsis thaliana plasma membrane intrinsic protein 1. So we can see there is 1 to 14 of 14 interaction. So it tells about the interactor, the experimental evidence code and the data set. So it tells about the evidence, that is 3 view, 1 view. Here it redirects us to UniProt. If we click on here, it redirects to NCBI website, National Library of Medicine, reference sequence. If we click on the Entrez Gene, it will take us to the gene page of the NCBI. So if we click on the BioGRID ORCS here we can search by protein, by publication, by ontology, by cell type, cell line, by phenotype, by condition, drug, by library type, by enzyme, by library name, format, by analysis, by methodology and by experiment. So for publication, by publication you just search like cancer. If we search for the cancer and all organism like in human, so search, so we get the list of the various publication, the ID, the author and data and the screening of that particular. We get the paper, for example here we got the abstract of overcoming the tabin resistance in the pancreatic cancer using BCLX specific degrader DT2216, and the name of the author and the abstract. Here we can see the screen name, the library, the cell type, and we can also it can redirect us to the PubMed and even Google Scholar. Here it redirect us to the PubMed and Google Scholar. If we search by cell type, here examples are given for the cell type like B cell, B lymphoma cell line. So if we search by that, so we get the author, the screen name, the cell type, and the library. On clicking on the screen name, here we can see the score distribution, we see the note, we see the the title, the whole genome landscape of the Burkitt lymphoma subtype, then screen rationale, cell essential and growth restrictive gene, cell type, cell line, phenotype, library, format, methodology, analysis method, and experimental setup, and the time course. Here we can see the score distribution, FRD, and CRISPR score. If we click here on the hit, so author indicating the hits are recorded within the score 1. Here all these important informations are given here. We can also select by an enzyme like case 9 or case 2. Let's see and search for human. So similar way we get the author, screen name, cell type, and library. Here if we click on the glioblastoma project, so here we can see the protein statistics. So how much they interact with that particular protein, like chromatin modification, cytoskeleton motility 38, then DNA damage response protease, then transcription, iron, ubiquitin proteasome system. So here we can also see the post-translation modification, select and see the statistics mode, post-translational modification, the percentage of that particular post translation modification. Now chemical interaction as well, it will show the amount of chemical interaction by various color symbol. In publications, so there are secretion 11, signal transduction 3227, then non redundance interaction, so signal transduction is the highest here, then interaction, so in this way we can explore this official symbol, the category, like chromatin modification in the Homo sapien. For example, if we click one of the official symbol, it will take to the interactor and evidence. And we can also see the annotation. So for knowing such concepts, follow BioMindscape.